Stop giving ChatGPT shitty prompts. Seriously. Most people use AI like this. Give me some marketing ideas. And then they wonder why the answers are generic. Imagine walking into a business consultant's office and saying, "Help my business." That's it. No industry, no goals, no budget, no context. You get a pretty lousy answer. ChatGPT is no different. Instead, try this. I own a restoration company with 12 employees. I want to generate 20 new leads per month. My budget is $1,000. Give me a 90-day marketing plan. Now you're talking. The quality of the output is directly related to the quality of the input. Garbage in, garbage out, specific in, specific out. The people getting incredible results from AI aren't using better AI. They're asking better questions. So stop giving ChatGPT shitty prompts. Start giving it context, goals, constraints, and details. Your results will improve overnight. Follow me for more practical ways to use AI to grow your business and save time.
Want to scale your business using AI? Go to Perfect Business AI and get your free customized blueprint. It's your step-by-step roadmap to dominate. Go get yours today.